just want you to open the back door so I can see the freight, please.
Oh, it's locked, sir.
Just go to any lane and we'll do it there.
Okay, sure, sir. Okay. Right there.
So how much time do you have left?
Yeah, I have 8 hours and 32 minutes driving.
Driver's license and then the book for the permit book for the truck.
Authority book. Yeah. Okay, andito lahat yan.
Thank you. And driver's license? Also, Bill.
Good afternoon, sir.
You have a bill of lading, sir?
Yes, sir, I have.
Thank you. What's that on your head? Camera?
Oh, it's a camera, just a camera.
Is it on?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Is it okay to you with the camera, sir?
Me?
Is it okay with the camera? You don't mind? Okay.
So where did you pick the load up at?
Oh, in Sheboygan, Wisconsin, sir.
Oh, and where do you go to?
Milton, Ontario. Delivering in there.
I just want you to open the back door so I can see the freight, please.
Oh, it's locked, sir. I cannot
You have a
open.
lock?
No, it's sealed by customer.
I have a new seal for it.
Okay, you wanna open it? Okay, sure.
Just go to any lane and we'll do it there.
Okay, sure, sir. Okay. First time ko kasi may inspection dito sa Ontario, guys, eh. Sa tagal ng panahon, ngayon lang ako na inspection. Kung anong sabi nila, di go ahead. Ilagay ko sarili ko roadside inspection. Inspection. Juice. Okay, so patayin muna natin.
Put it on the bill too, the new seal number.
Yes, sir.
But please open it up.
Oh, I will go get my thing to break that seal.
Yeah, you need that too. Just gonna look at it. I'm not gonna go in. I just want to see it.
Yeah. So, ano? Pati ito kinalawang pa. Those are getting
How often do you use that lock?
It's I open it in there because they ask my supervisor asked me to put this two and then that thing, but I'm not the one who put that, the customer. But it's cranking. Just give a little. Come on. I just gonna get something in there.
Go ahead.
Ano ba yan? Hindi man lang makisama yung okay, yung mga ano ko rito. Meron ako dito mga ganito eh. Oops. They get stuck sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Buti na lang may mga ganito tayo. Ayaw kong pirasahin, baka mamaya maputol pa, hindi pa mabuksan yan. Ayaw mabuksan. Ang hirap naman ito. The gate is stuck sometimes. I was gonna leave that for now and I'm gonna open that thing.
Okay. Can I have the number? I'll put the number on my pad here and then
Yes, sir.
I'll give you the next number.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get a plister.
Yeah,
My hands
go
is makisama ka naman. Para hindi na tayo basta-basta ano yun. Meron tayong maliit na price dito. Pero dahan-dahan lang at baka mamaya maputol. Inspection din to. Ay, tayo sa ilalim. Yeah. I just have to be careful because I don't want my thing to get broken.
Should be salt got in, huh?
Yeah. And if got broken, I cannot open it anymore.
Oh my goodness. All the way to the back, huh?
All the way to the back, yes, sir.
Okay, good. You want to put this inside, sir,
Yeah.
or no?
Sure, I will.
I'll give you the new one. I'll put it in the bill, too.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's good.
That's good? Okay.
Okay, this good to the front?
No, sir, no.
Oh, let me write the number down first.
I still need to put this, or I guess so.
You can do it. It's your lock, right?
Yeah. Baka
You can do
mamaya.
whatever you want with that one. We're gonna do it later.
Yeah, we'll do it later. At least we have this.
Yep. And then I need some information from the truck.
Yes, sir. I will. Lagay ko na lang muna ito dito. Hindi ko nalalagyan yan.
All right, good.
Yeah. Good thing I have those.
Well, I won't keep you much longer, but I just need a few.
Sure, sure. No problem, sir.
You said you're going to Milton?
Yes, sir. I'm going to Milton.
Okay. You don't have to rush though.
Yeah.
So I need when you're done, I need the kilometers for the truck.
Yeah, yeah. You can get inside so you can see.
No, I'd rather you read them to me, sir.
Eight.
When you're ready.
833888.
Thank you. And put that away, and then I need your logbook.
Yeah, sure. Balik natin ito dito. Good thing may mga ganito tayo. Rusty na kasi yung mga yun eh. Diyan ka lang muna.
This today's logbook,
Yes, sir.
please.
Okay.
The graph.
Go to grab. Okay.
Please.
Logbook right there.
So how much time do you have left? Oh, you got time.
Yeah, I have 8 hours and 32 minutes driving.
Okay, you put that away. Driver's license, and then the book for the permit book for the truck.
Authority book. Yeah. Okay, andito lahat yan.
Thank you. And driver's license. Also, about 5 minutes, I'll have your paperwork.
Okay, sir.
You can come in the building. I'll give you the paperwork in about 5 minutes. Thank you.
Yes, the fellow blading.
Good. Oh, yes, I can write
You put-
the seal number on it, okay?
Sure. So I will go in the building. I will go in the building. Okay, sure. I will come. Okay, so ilagay ko ang sarili ko dito na ano. Okay, so traffic, yard mode, fuel, roadside inspection on duty. Undefined. Okay. Wala pa. Mamaya pipicturean natin. Balikan ko na lang ito, guys. Tara, punta muna tayo doon kay Sir Officer. Sarado ko muna tong truck, guys. Baka mamaya pasukin. Alright. Oh. Sana walang violation kasi wala naman akong problema sa ilag ko. Documentation lang siguro to, guys. Pag sana documentation lang nila to, hopefully walang issue. Ang daming pulis, ha. Kalat. Windsor Commercial Vehicle Inspection Facility, Highway 401 eastbound, 23 km marker, Municipality of Lakeshore. Dito siguro yun. Antay tayo rito. Sila madam oh. Tagal. Busy. Ayan. Meron na naman yata ang pull over nandun.
You want me to write the new seal on your bill of lading?
Oh, yes sir, please. So that they know. And also I have to take picture on that and give to this one. Oh, I'm okay to good have this now, sir? Okay.
Yep.
There's a seal in there and this is last there, I guess.
There we go.
Okay, so what is this, sir? So
Everything else is good.
oh, okay, so just the paperwork inspection.
Yeah, just mostly a paper check and a load check.
Thank you, sir.
You're all set to go. Thanks.
Okay. Alright, guys. Yun lang. Mabilisan din. Antay lang. Okay. Let's go. Commercial Vehicle Inspection Report, no violation. Alright guys, no violation nandito. No defects identified. Yan, nakikita natin. Sana makita natin. Yan. Ayun. Picturean ko ito, tayo send ko sa dispatch ko guys. Para wala silang masabi. Yun. Dispatch ko ng bolt seal. Hi guys, ayan, let's go. Thank you Lord. I make my company proud this time. Walang violation. Wow. Ang nakaraan, natikitan eh. Hindi maganda 'yun sa ano. Sa company pag lagi natitikitan. Sa mga tropang andito sa papunta ng Ontario guys watch out kayo kasi daming mga pulis ngayon, inspection. Pipicturean ko pa ito para may send ko dito sa ano. Yun. Okay, then send. Save. Yun. Ngayon lang guys. Tapos off duty na. Tapos na eh. Alright guys, ayan. We're good to go na. Isama ko itong papel na ito sa ano. Guys, wala silang nasilip. Walang problema sa inspection natin ngayon. Ang company natin hindi naman laging taksibangot sa atin. Siyempre ano ba yan? Lakay? Ano ba yan? Ano? Sabihin sa akin. Lagi ka na lang natitigilan. Mahirap din naman. Galitan na naman ako niyan. Or pagsabihan na naman ako. Hindi naman sila nagagalit. Hindi sasabihan. Alright guys, ingat kayo lagi. Thank you for watching. Once again, Lakay Trucker here. Ingat kayo sa mga biyahe nyo. Nakita nyo na naman yung panibagong experience natin dito sa karsada. Dito tayo guys sa Ontario Peace up. Bye bye. Yeah!
Lakay Trucker.